So finally, I'm just going to show you how to upload our interactive slides into Google Classroom so that each student has their own copy. So you're on your Google Classroom page. You're going to go up to Classwork, Create, and then make sure you click Assignment. If you choose Material, you won't have the option to give each student their own copy. So make sure you choose Assignment. And we'll name this Monday's Interactive Activity. And then you can choose to put directions here if you want. Go to Add, Google Drive, and then I'll just use the slides that we just made, so interactive slides. Here's where you change if students can view the file, edit the file, so they would be editing the same file together, or make a copy for each student. So if I want students to have their own copy, so I can see each of their own work, and so students can't interfere with other students' work, I'll do make a copy for each student. And then here you can change the points. So if you want, I usually do based on the number of slides. So if we have 10 slides, it's 10 points. Change the due date. So I'll do it the next day. And I usually have it at the end of the day to give them flex to work on it. And then the topic. So I'll choose math. If you want to put a rubric in, you definitely can, but I won't do one for this activity. If you put here for the class, then if you select on it, you can choose multiple classes to assign it to. And then same here, if you click all students, you can deselect certain students that you don't want to have this assignment. So if you're maybe doing this in small group, or if you're trying to differentiate which students are getting which assignments, you can do that. And then here, if you click the drop-down arrow next to assign, you can either save as a draft, which I've been doing a lot lately, and because I've been noticing students will start the work before they come to class, or will be doing it while I'm giving directions. So I'll save it as a draft and then assign it when I'm done giving directions. You can do schedule if you know you want this to appear right when class is starting or at a specific time, or you can just do assign and that'll assign it right away. So now each student will have their own copy of the interactive slides that they can edit and that you can view for each student.